as a trader, I need a bullish and a bearish scenario, and also I'm open to the idea of a breakout.
Hi guys, it's Paul from Team Safehouse once again with another episode of Coffee with George. And if you want to join us for our next Public SITREP, be sure to clock in every Monday, 8 a.m. UTC, and it's free forever on YouTube. Let's roll the disclaimer.
Before we continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
Let's start with this. Let's start with naked chart. You can clearly see what's going on here, right? This entire section of the chart, this is the SNR flip level on the Bitcoin chart. Resistance then was claimed, support lost. This entire section, I mean, we talk about since June 2022, more than a year, the price was not able to claim this area, give or take the 30k psychological area. So we had the first attempt, rejection, another attempt, swing failure pattern, and another rejection, right? Price taking the liquidity here, great. And this would be the third attempt to claim this area, so that's why we need to pay attention. And if I see another swing failure pattern here, then I'll be more than happy to trade that swing failure pattern. However, as a trader, I need a bullish and a bearish scenario, and also I'm open to the idea of a breakout. You always need two scenarios, the bullish and the bearish scenario, and you need to be prepared with both, also with very good invalidations for both scenarios. So taking this into consideration, that would be the high time frame range, right? This entire section of the chart starting with 28th of December 2020. This is almost 3 years of price action. So these levels are very well respected, and we do have a lot of volume in this area, also a lot of time, because we talk about from March this year. So with this drop, we have just a bit lower, acting as support. So that was a very interesting situation in my opinion. The next important level to the upside should be the point of control. This is how you trade the range, from the bottom of the range to value are low, to the point of control, value are high, top of the range, and vice versa. Top of the range, value are high, point of control, value are low, low of the range. This is how you trade the range. So what do you think is the next important level to the upside? Currently, the point of control standing around 47k area, right? So this is the situation as long as this, the 26,500, give or take. This is a high time frame, so I wouldn't think about this to the absolute dollar, so more like an area, right? As long as the value are low of this range is holding as support, the next important level, high time frame level within this range is actually the 47,200, give or take. But I would extend that to the 50k psychological area. What's standing in between? This area. This is a very important area on the Bitcoin chart, and that could set the trend for the next 6 months or even more, because if the price actually manages to claim this area, we can start to talk about the 50k area. But we are not quite there yet. So this is the context, this is the high time frame levels, right? So the only trade that I would take in this area would be a short or no trade. However, that would be based on reaction. And the easiest trade to take is a swing failure pattern. A swing failure pattern, you know, like the one that we do have here, for a scalp, that is totally fine. But we need to let the price action develop, because for a full reversal, one would like to see change in market structures with continuation on higher time frame. And also, I would like to see some levels lost. Scalp here, there, yes, if you see a good level on the chart, definitely. Other than that, I want to be patient. I want to see how NY will open. If we see a bullish open, then my best guess, the price could potentially push to the upside. If we see a bearish open, the price starting to lose level, then, you know, maybe this is the top and the price took some of the liquidity, but we still have stop losses up here. So this is the high time frame. Right now, let's move to the local, more local range, and that would be the one that we do have up here.